Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use filters during a Facebook Live session in 2025. So step 1, open the Facebook app and tap the live option from your home screen or page. Step 2, allow access to your camera and microphone when prompted. Step 3, before hitting the Go Live button, tap the magic wand icon or effects tab in the bottom corner of your screen. Step 4, browse through the available filters, beauty filters, funny face filters, and background effects. Step 5, tap a filter to preview it in real time. Adjust your brightness, contrast, or stickers if you want to. Step 6, once you have chosen your filter, tap the Go Live button to start broadcasting with your selected effect. You can also change filters during the live session by tapping the same effects icon again. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.